Mom or dad may secretly enjoy having the kids around a bit longer, but do they really want their children living with them forever? The laundry, that by now you didn't imagine you would still be doing, the front door opening in the early hours and adult footsteps creaking up the stairs. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos and write your comments or questions. Why can't youths in United Kingdom afford to move out? A crisis best reveals itself in the small things. Sophie is just one of the young adults between the ages of 20 to 25 still living in her family home. Growing adulthood, being able to stand on her own 2 feet or bringing a date home without having to make awkward introductions to her mum and dad, is taking longer and longer to achieve. Living with adult children who can't afford to move out is increasingly the norm for middle-aged parents in the UK, for many reasons. They are more likely to be students or unemployed or providing unpaid care for their parents, while those in areas with high property prices are more common. House prices in Britain increased more than 145% between 1996 and 2021, the second highest rate in Europe. London is the most expensive place to get on the property ladder, with the average worker spending 15 times their salary to buy a home near where they work. At-home adults were the oldest in London, where more than 1 in 4 families still has an adult living with them. London also has the highest share of unemployed adult children aged 22 to 64 years among the English regions. The average age of those living at home rose during the last decade by increasing from 23 to 24 years old. Recent figures from the Office for National Statistics have revealed that for the first time the majority of 20 to 24-year-olds in England and Wales are still living with parents. More British of so-called adult children are living with mum and dad. The number rose 15% to 5 million between 2021 to 2011. Meanwhile, more than 1 in 10 of those aged between 30 and 35 were still living with their parents. Studies show that moving back home can improve mental health, thanks in part to a stressful and increasingly expensive rental market. However, this trend is denying parents independence, keeping them in a childlike state and creating anxiety and depression. Families with adult children were more likely to be living in overcrowded households with fewer bedrooms than required. Men outnumbered women by a ratio of 3 to 2. Just 60% of adult children opting to stay at home are male, compared to 40% for females. If you have found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos and write your comments or questions.